Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I wanted to talk to you about about processing, specifically and how it can be used to support education. I've talked about this before. I want to talk about it more because it's important. You can see I've already opened up this sketch, and I'm going to click play, show you what it does. It creates a number line. If I click addizione, it should give me a new math problem right there. And now the UI is a little confusing. I'm not quite sure. I'm supposed to click the 0 first, like that. And the clicking is rather awkward. And I think that's mostly because Sketchpad, well, okay. It's part of the coding, it's partly processing, it's also partly Sketchpad because there are button libraries that are better suited for this kind of tool. But nonetheless, here it is. It's open source, it's free, it's Creative Commons, and if I can get the 7 to click, it will usually tell me that I got the answer right. I don't know if it wants me to click through. I'm not quite sure. But anyway, it's a great start, and it's so great I'm gonna go ahead and show you why it can be used in education immediately. First off, it's open source. Second, it's online. I can edit these numbers online and then run them. No installation required. I'm in the browser. It's pure JavaScript. I don't know how cool that is to you, but in the world of programming, it's super cool. Now, let's see if addizione. Yes, it recognizes that there is a larger number. So that's actually pretty cool too. Let's see if I can get it to accept my answer. Yeah, it's not working. But what does all this have to do with the price of tea in China? Well, I'm going to say that it's not the price of tea in China that's important. It's the price of education and the cost of ignorance of the world's people. We need more math and science people badly because the world's problems need more math and science solutions. Kahn Academy to the rescue. Kahn Academy's got a lot of cool stuff, over 2,000 plus videos in education, and it has this exercise toolkit. Now, the exercise toolkit it's open source, but it's locked behind a CVS, and it's a mess to get to. And it doesn't have, I mean, it has a lot of cool things. I won't argue that at all. But if I was a coder and I wanted to go in and fix this or make this more interesting or do anything like that, there is no click here to view source first. And that's probably the biggest thing that I would like to see changed at Kahn Academy, is that we can click view source, edit the source, because everything apparently, this is all supposed to be HTML and JavaScript. So why not use a tool like processing, which is JS, which is, well, okay, there's processing JS and there's processing. But either way, some kind of UI that allows for users to create and clone their exercises so we can build more exercises, because that's what Kahn Academy needs. It needs more exercises. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support, and please take a look at processing, Studio Sketchpad, open processing, and definitely swing by Kahn Academy, especially if you know how to code. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.